Welcome to Premier Property Group's centrally located office in the middle of downtown Bend. It's conveniently located in the heart of this vibrant city, known for its gorgeous natural scenery, unparalleled outdoor recreation, award-winning restaurants, and a wide array of small businesses and boutiques. Situated next door to Brickhouse Restaurant and Thump Coffee, and across the street from the Oxford Hotel, our new Minnesota Avenue location is alive with a neighborhood vibe. Enter into an open and inviting reception area with abundant natural light and modern design. We offer a collaborative open office environment with a drop-in workspace for the agent on the go, desks available to rent, providing plenty of room for individual work. And a private conference room for client meetings with state-of-the-art equipment and high-speed internet. The open workspace fosters collaboration in all forms, whether you're mentoring, problem-solving, or information sharing with fellow associates. You and your clients will also enjoy convenient street parking. Pop into local shops, enjoy fine dining options, try award-winning craft beer, and explore local art shows and film festivals. Innovative, contemporary design with plenty of restaurants within walking distance. What's not to love? Come visit us anytime at 25 Northwest Minnesota Avenue in Bend, Oregon.